This is Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Now listen, this is a live stream. I'm not sure who's going to be tapping in. I didn't send out any invitations. I'm just doing this kind of spontaneous. If you're watching this on the replay, that means I decided to keep it. Feel free to jump ahead. Definitely we're doing this live. I'm just doing this spontaneous. Pretty soon we'll have moderators in the comment section checking and making sure to see who's tapping in. But for right now, like I said, if you're live with me right now, thank you for taking time. Matter of fact, I know you guys got things to do. Let me go ahead and show y'all some love. Thank y'all so much. Listen, y'all took some time. Keep it going. These people that took time out their schedule to be with us. There you go. I thank y'all for taking time out of y'all's schedule to be with us, okay? To be over here at Next Level. You know, Stevon NextLevel Mindset. So thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your energy, taking this time out to spend with me. So thank you. Like I said, if you're watching this on the replay, we're starting to get heated up. You might want to go ahead a few steps, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. But if you're watching this right now, thank you. I am live. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll take it down. But just basically just enjoying the whole channel and letting everybody know that we are here. So come on in. Come on in. We're doing it live, kind of laying back, just chilling on out. Stevon NextLevel Mindset, streaming live. This is my 3rd time. Oh, before I go any further, thank you so much. Gotta give a shout out to our sponsor for the live stream today. This live stream is being sponsored by Stream Elements. Check the link in the description for Stream Elements. They connect easy to most software. I'm using OBS for this live stream, connected to Stream Elements. They also host my merchandise. So if you like the merchandise, we have all types of merchandise. Next level, going to the next level mindset. If you know me, we have personal items with my picture on it. But if you don't know me, we have universal design. So thank you to Stream Elements, our sponsor today. Check them out with that link in the description and get you some cool merchandise while you're here. Definitely want to do that. And check the other links in the description. You will find a lot of things down there to support me and support you as well. So just by the title, talking about this making money mindset. This is like a pre-show to the premiere. I just decided to go ahead and do something exciting, do something live. If you watch this on the replay, you can still make comments and you can still hit that like button. If you enjoying it so far, you can always do that even if you watch it on the replay. So remember that, most definitely. I would appreciate that if you find value in it. But my last video was talking about how to never be broke again. And a lot of times we find ourselves reluctant to talk about money because we have this false idea that there's something wrong with it, especially if you got a lot of it. But I talked about how to never be broke again. And that first thing I was talking about is where money is, money flows. And I just want to let somebody know that you may not have a whole lot right now, but if you just got a little, where there is a little, a lot can be done. I like to say if we all do a little, we can all get a lot done. So just think about that. Whatever you have, you got just what you need. So keep that in mind, most definitely. But I want to do a pre-show to that premiere. That's going to be my first time. I might actually sit back and record myself watching my own show. This kind of, well, it's like out of body almost. So I'll be sitting back watching with you all a video that I put together, and I'm excited about that. So definitely want to do that. So if you're here with me right now, I'm not able to monitor it like I want to, but if you're here right now, thank you. And if you watch this on a replay, you know, feel free to jump around, make yourself at home, click some of those links in the description, all types of fun things down there. Check out some of the videos that we've got some new songs, some power talks, got some series going on. I want to do more live streams, so leave me a comment. Let me know what day is good for you, what day and time is the best. So we're going to do that as well. Now, I got to tell y'all about my book. One of my books that I wrote was Mystic Secrets of the Bible. It's the first book that I put together. The link is in the description for that. It's time to find out what most religious leaders don't tell us about, what they don't want us to know. Now, naturally, I'm not talking about your pastors. I've got a pastor, those loving pastors out there. I'm talking about the hierarchy religious people who are trying to keep us in the dark. Get that book. It's time to find out what they don't want us to know and what we need to know to get our mindset on this next level. So check that out. And also check out the other book that I put together. It's called Divorced and Still Destined for Greatness. Of course, if you haven't been to a divorce, that's fine too. One lady said that it doesn't matter what you've been through. This book will help you to realize that you are still destined to do great things. So check that out, most definitely. So Let me know how you're liking this, how my sound is. We're going to be doing, like I said, more live streams as we go along. But if you're watching this on purpose, you're part of the family, you're checking out, it really doesn't matter what we do. You're going to hang tight because you're part of the family. But if you're not and you're new around here, then like I said, feel free to jump around on the channel, find some videos that might be more quick paced. But I'm kind of laid back just a little bit on this for our live stream. So going in, live stream with Stevon NextLevel Mindset, taking it to the next level, baby. Yeah, so we're just doing that, just hanging on out, just hanging on out. So now, also, I want to let you all know there's a link in the description. When it comes to making money and doing this, creating a money mindset, we have to be able to use our tools. And a lot of my previous power talks, except this last one, how to never be broke again, a lot of the other ones was more focused on other elements besides money. Now this one, I talked about how to never be broke again. So I mentioned links to those books are in the description. I'm excited about sharing my gift with everybody, letting them know that if I can do it, you can too. We're creating this money mindset, and where money is, money flows. So remember that I talked about that in my last video. Where money is, money flows, and how we invest in different people. So definitely excited about that. So definitely leave me a comment and let me know what kind of live streams y'all want to be doing in the future. Got a little setup going on, but I'm always looking to do different things. Matter of fact, let's see. Got my different light settings. I don't know which one y'all like the best. All right. Let's see. That's my gold, right? That's my gold. And I got the blue to match the blue lights. We're just having fun. Yeah. But so far, I think I'm liking that one right there to match the ambient. But definitely doing that. Now, I also mentioned that first in that other video, I'm looking for artists. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm looking for artists right now. So if you are an artist, you think you got what it takes to go to that next level, leave me a comment. In the comment, just put, my song is next level. You put that in the comment section. I'll come behind you. Leave me your email. My song is next level. Put your email address. I'll respond to you, give you some instructions on how you can do that. I'm looking for the top next level artist who can come out. Be on the look for that single, Stevon, coming out. Nobody. I've been in the studio working on that, and we've been doing the video. Been working on the video for that, so definitely look out for that. Stevon, Nobody. That's coming out soon, so I'm definitely excited about that. Just excited about everything that God is doing in our lives. And remember, this part of this mindset is remembering that we are worthy. A lot of us have not felt that we are worthy of the best. We are worthy of everything that we put our minds to, family. We are definitely worthy of everything we put our minds to. So get on the lookout. If you can, get in the comment section. We're going to talk more about this money. It's time for us to get paid. It's time for us to start making our money mindset, getting our mindset for this next level in our finances. So hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to put something together real quick. And don't forget to check out all the links in the description. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know best time for your live streams. Whatever you want, we'll do that. And other than that, I just want to say I love y'all. I thank y'all. I appreciate your time. Remember, there is no God outside of us. There's only God within us. And with that, we are unstoppable. There's nothing that needs to be done in our lives. And together we cannot do it. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.